question here. The question says the IUPAC name of the compound written here. We ask to calculate to find the IUPAC name of this compound. Let's quickly write out the compound. The name is CH3, CHCl, CH2, and OH. We asked to get the IUPAC name for that compound. In order for us to get the IUPAC name for that compound, we have to expand the compound very well to tell the structure, to see the structure. And if we do that, this C here has 3 hydrogens bonded to it, and that's the 3 hydrogen. And the carbon here has 1 hydrogen to it, and also a chlorine atom attached to it. So we show the chlorine atom here. And this 3rd carbon has 2 hydrogen, and also it has an OH group attached to it. Now, in order for us to tell the IUPAC name, looking at this compound, we can see the OH group here, and we know that the alkanols or the alcohol family always have OH group attached to them. So if you see the OH group attached to a particular organic compound, you know that that compound is an alkanol or an alcohol. So this is an alcohol, and 1, 2, 3. How many carbon does it have? It has 1, 2, 3. So since it has 3, it is called prop, and then alcohol called propanol. So the name here is propanol. But you can see a chlorine atom is attached to it, right? So it has an attachment of chlorine, and the chlorine atom is attached to the 2nd carbon. So this is the 1st carbon, and this is the 2nd carbon, right? Why do we call this the 1st carbon? Because the OH group is attached to it. So it's attached to it. So we started our numbering from the right-hand side. So this becomes our 1st carbon. In fact, we have to show that this is 1 propanol because the OH group is attached to the 1st carbon. So if this is our 1st carbon, this is our 2nd carbon. So our chlorine is attached to our 2nd carbon. So the name becomes 2-chloro-1-propanol. So the name of this compound is 2-chloro-1-propanol. 2-chloro because we have a chlorine attached to our 2nd carbon, and propanol because it's an alcohol, OH here, and it has 3 carbon, which we call prop. And the OH group is attached to our 1st carbon. That is why we say the name is 1-propanol. So in summary, the name of that compound on the board is 2-chloro-propanol. Bye for now and have a nice day.